What's up guys, welcome back to my Minecraft tutorial on how to make your friends absolutely love you. For those of you who did not just click off, we can now begin. Welcome to how to code microbit coin flipper in Python. My name is Charlotte.
First off, what you're going to do is navigate to Mr. Barber's webpage. From here, we'll go to Mr. Barber's Arduino/microbit tab. Then, click on the Microbit Microsoft Make Code. On this menu, we'll select New Project. Make sure you've selected Python only in the drop-down menu, since we won't be touching on any of the other coding languages. Additionally, CoinFlip is a pretty straightforward program, but if you do have any questions, please voice them, whether by emailing Mr. Barber or typing in the comment section if it's enabled. For this first part, we'll basically be setting up the A button of the microbit and the structure of our code. So far, your code should look like this. Now, for the next step, we'll be placing the passes with our heads and tails. Heads represented by a skull and tails represented by a square. At this point, if you don't want to add an animation, you can skip ahead to see how to hook up your microbit so it'll run CoinFlip. Otherwise, stay tuned. Between lines 1 and 4, we're going to add some extra lines of code for suspense and to polish it up. Those extra lines of code are going to be 4 lines of 2 alternating codes, so the microbit will show big diamond switching with a small diamond. And your code should end up looking like this.
Finally, switching from online to real life, what you're going to need is a microbit, a compatible USB cord, and a battery you can plug into your microbit. Now you take this part, you plug it into here. And then you plug this into your computer. Lastly, you should be able to unplug your microbit, and every time you press the A button, it should either show a skull, heads, or a square, tails. Thanks for watching. This is YouTube News. Tomorrow Live. How the dinosaurs were really the greatest at cooking and baking.